If you want to get shredded, the best cardio is probably the one that you're ignoring. It's not the hardest, it's the one that you can do every single day. And I'm talking about something so easy that you can do it when you're tired, unmotivated, or you just feel plain lazy. It's literally that easy to do. And I've tried everything. I've tried battle ropes, running, circuit training, and let me tell you, most of that is all unsustainable. But walking is sustainable. And it's the one thing that I've consistently done now for the past 10 years. And the best part, I don't need to get hyped up to do it. I could do it anytime. And in this video, I'm gonna show you why walking is the best way to get lean and stay lean. And by the end of this video, you're gonna understand why walking can do more for your physique than adding another hard, intense cardio workout ever could. And we're also gonna get to the one secret benefit that most lifters completely overlook. And before you roll your eyes thinking, walking isn't enough, that's why people get stuck. Here's the reality. Most natural lifters who wanna lose body fat, they go for the intense cardio workouts. So I'm talking about HIIT training, sprints, long runs, and while they can work, they also come at a cost. When you do intense cardio workouts, it's gonna spike your cortisol levels. And cortisol is your main stress hormone. And when cortisol levels stay elevated, that means your body is more likely to hold on to body fat, especially in the midsection. Doing intense cardio is also very difficult for your body to recover from. Let's think about this. If you're squatting twice a week, and then you also decide to add 2 to 3 intense cardio workouts on top of that, and most intense cardio workouts involve your legs, that means your legs now have to recover from the squats and you have to recover from the hard, intense cardio sessions that you're doing. At this point, you're putting your body under a lot of stress. Believe me, I have done this myself. I also have tried doing 2 to 3 intense cardio sessions a week, and guess what? My lifts stalled and my PRs went down. And here's the part most people don't understand either. The harder you push fat loss, the more you can slow your whole body down. Walking is the opposite. It doesn't mess up your recovery, and if you've been watching my videos, then you understand that as a natural lifter, recovery is the #1 thing that you need to manage in order to grow muscle. You can literally walk every single day and still get stronger in the gym. Now, when it comes to walking, I recommend doing it outside. Most people these days, they're not getting enough sunlight. And that matters because sunlight triggers your body to produce vitamin D. And vitamin D does play a role in your testosterone levels. And as a natural lifter, that matters. You don't have artificial hormones helping you, aka steroids. So that means that your daily environment and your daily habit will matter a lot more. Let's think about this. Most people these days, they are indoors 95 to 99% of the time. They're going to work, which is indoors. They're going to the gym, which is also indoors. They're going back home, which is also indoors. And the only time you really get sun is when you go outside to walk to your car, and maybe you're getting a little bit of sun on you as you're driving, and that's it. This is not normal. Getting 20 to 30 minutes of sun on your face, your arms, your skin, your legs, it can make a real difference over time. And this is where most lifters are accidentally holding themselves back. Not in the gym, but outside of it. And you can fix this all by just going outside and going for walks. Now let's go back to cortisol, because this is the benefit that most people have no idea about. Walking outside, especially in nature, reduces stress a lot more than walking indoors on a treadmill. Your brain, it just responds completely different to different environments. When you see trees, when you see the blue sky, when you see the sun, it calms your system down. And I've seen this for myself. Whenever I feel stressed, I will go outside, I'll look at the blue sky, the trees, I'll hear the birds chirping, and it always de-stresses me. And lower stress means lower cortisol. Lower cortisol means better recovery, and better recovery means better gains in the gym. It's all a chain reaction. So what may feel like doing less, it's actually giving you more results. And it starts with something as simple as just stepping outside and going for a walk. Now, at this point, you're probably thinking, okay, walking is good, but how much should I walk throughout the day? Here's the simplest rule I give to all of my clients, and it's the rule for myself as well. 10,000 steps a day. That's it. And the beauty is you don't have to do it all at once. The best part is you can break it apart throughout the entire day. I suggest you wake up, go for a 20 to 30 minute walk, get some sun first thing in the morning. Then throughout the day, just make sure you're moving more. You can take calls while you're walking. You can go for a walk with your loved ones. God knows that we need it and they need it too, so it benefits us both. Plus, I feel like these days with our society, we're on our phones all the time, social media. We never get actual quality time with our loved ones, and going for a walk is perfect for that. And that's the advantage to walking. It can fit into your life and you can multitask as you do it. So your goal at the end of the day is just hit 10,000 steps. And those 10,000 steps can burn anywhere from 300 to 500 calories, depending on the person, of course. But if you think about it, 500 calories a day times 7, that's 3,500 calories in a week. And that's 1 pound of pure fat that you're losing just by moving around and going for walks. That's why you don't need the intense cardio workouts. You just gotta make sure you do something that you can do every day. And walking is that thing. So let's put this all together. Walking outside helps your body burn fat without beating up your body. You're getting vitamin D through the sun, and seeing nature, it also lowers your stress so that your body can recover better. And the best part is you don't have to do the intense cardio sessions, especially if you hate doing them. You just need to get outside and walk. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch my next video right here. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.